And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is from the 30 Minutes missions. We have the Spinatio Night type. Yeah, so I already have the Spinatio, the Sengoku type. And it's more like a ninja slash samurai guy, but now they release a Night type, and of course, they do have a Royal Knight, but I just got the Night type first. And as you can see in the box art, yeah, it really is the Spinatio frame with being a knight, like the medieval times. And off to the side, what we have here is, of course, the knight type. So we have the frame, the actual Spinatio frame, and then the armors that will make it a knight type. Some action poses that you can do with it. Of course, it has a sword and shield, and you can move some things, and you could actually just customize it. And off to the other side, yeah, just a night type here, some assembly information and whatnot. Right, now let's take a look inside the box. And opening up, so we are actually right away greeted with I think the armor kits for, yeah, the knight. Yep, so it's all grayish, some sort of giving off metallic sheen and stuff. Another bag, same thing, some grayish and some pure blue. Uh, Two more sprues with dark blue. One more bag with three sprues, some PCBs, some armor parts, and some frame parts. And of course, we have the instruction manual here, wherein it says about Spinatio Night type here, some story about that Night type, and of course, we have the different forces here. We have the Earth Alliance force, we have the Balian, and then we have the Maxim, which is, I think, the Maxim pose, or rather the Spinatio frames are under the Maxim forces. And yep, you can use other parts, and so some action parts, forces here. We do have the Sengoku type, which I already have. I don't have the Ninja, and this is actually the Forcer type. Interesting. And of course, instruction manual tells you how you can build it and armor it up. And here's a shortcut version actually of it. Now let's take a look individually at the screws. And first off, we have the A screw here, which is a dark blue color wherein I guess, yeah, we have the head part here, some parts of the torso, I guess. And it also has an A2, which is a clear blue. We also have a B1, which is actually the grayish silver color kind of vibe here. It's not really metallic, but it's some sort of a silver. It goes have a sheen, a metallic sheen. Also a B2 here, same color. We do have a C1, which is all black. So some parts of the hands, the limbs, joints. We have a D1, which actually is already the armor parts here. Same metallic sheen, metallic kind of color. The D2, we do have the sword here, some more other armors. We also have the D3, same colors as the A sprue. And lastly, we have some PC parts for the joints. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Spinatio Night type, a Spinatio frame from the Machine Forces, and the 30 minutes missions lore, wherein we have three forces: the Earth Alliance Force, the Valiant, and the Machine Forces, clashing up. And this was Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, you added videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.